This time, we will learn about another sensing block, which is block touching. We are going to create an animation of a frog prince. A princess will touch a frog, and the frog will turn into a prince. Like this. Create a new Scratch project, name it Frog Prince. Then add these 3 sprites. The 3 sprite sizes are different each other. For good animation, use this size for each sprite. Change the frog and prince to face left. You can use the flip horizontal button on the costume for this. Arrange all sprites, so all of them are in same Y position. You can drag each sprite. Then add 2 backdrops named Woods and Castle 1. Put all the sprites on the bottom. The sprite princess is on the left side of the screen, while the sprite frog and prince are on the right side of the screen, like this. Make sure the sprite princess is facing the frog. Add this coding block to sprite frog and prince. So when the animation starts, the prince sprite will not be visible, but the frog sprite will be visible. Now, in the sprite princess, add this coding block. So when the animation starts, the princess will be on the left. You can change the Y number in this blue block so that the princess is on the same line as the frog. Then, add this block to the princess. The repeat until block is also a loop or loop block. Princess will repeat starting moving right 10 steps. And wait 0.1 second. This light blue block comes from the sensing block. Sprite princess will continue to move until she touches the frog sprite. A sprite can know when it touches another sprite by using this light blue touching block. Finally, add these 2 blocks. So once the princess touches the frog sprite, we'll make a sound and broadcast a message. Remember the broadcast message function? Broadcast is used as if the sprite princess shout, "Princess meet frog," and only the other sprites could hear the scream. When we hear the message, Princess meet Frog, we will make it look as if the frog turned into a prince. Put this block on the frog to hide it. Then attach this block to the sprite prince, so the prince will appear, and then invite Princess to his castle. Run the animation and see the magic happens.